Good morning, students. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are good. You all are well at home. My dear students, I am very happy to tell you once again that today you are going to learn one more new topic. Every time you learn a new topic. And today, once again, let us learn one more new topic and important topic. So, what is the topic for us today? Today, the topic is sight words. The topic is sight words. Now, first let us know what are sight words. Sight. Sight means which appears, which we can see, and words. So in English language, when you write sentences, when you write questions and answers, you write different types of words. You use different types of words and you write questions and then answers all. So when you write anything, you use different types of words, but the sight words are those words which you can see mostly while you write a question or an answer. Mostly these words, repeatedly these words, they come. And most of the times you see these words when you write answers or when you write a paragraph or when you write questions. Whatever you write, you will find these words most of the times. So the words which you see or which you use most of the times, those words are sight words. Those words are sight words. So, what are those words? I have prepared a list of sight words. There are many words. This is just some important words I have written for you. See here you can see A and R at. A and R at. See, many times we use A and R at. If you observe, you can find these words you use many times. Most of the times you use them. Like be, but, can, come, call, do, did, from, for, first, go, give, get, he, she, her, him, I, in, is, my, many, more, no, not. So these words, when you write something, you use repeatedly. Many times you find these words. Many times you can see these words in your writing. So with these words we can write many sentences. Many meaningful sentences we can write. But you have to remember what are the sight words. These are the sight words. Not all words are sight words. All words are not sight words. The words which we use most of the times, which we use many times, those words only we call them sight words. So some words are here. Now, if you look at this side, sentences using sight words. Sentences using sight words. As I said, you can write sentences, you can write questions, you can write answers, you can write stories. You will find these sight words. Suppose here you can see first sentence, Raj is a singer. Raj is a singer. Now here, what are the sight words? Is and a. These two words are sight words. Because these two words you see many times. You use them many times. Raj, singer, we do not use many times. When it is required, we use. When it is required, we use these words. But is, a, we use many times. So many times we use these words. Next you see, I love my sister. I love my sister. Here you see in this sentence, I underlined, my is underlined. I and my also we use many times. Most of the times these words appear to us. అంటే మనకు కనిపిస్తాయి. ఎక్కువ సార్లు మనం ఈ పదాలని చూస్తూ ఉంటాం. Most of the times we find or we see them in English. They are farmers. They are farmers. Even here you see, they also a sight word, and are also sight word, because we see these words many times. They are commonly seen words. They are farmers. They are, these two words are sight words. My sister goes to school at 8 a.m. My sister goes to school at 8 a.m. Now here you can see my, it is a sight word, because see here also we used my, again my we used here. My sister goes to also sight word, we use many times. Next, at also sight word, we use many times. Maximum times we use these words. Next you see, they speak but cannot read. They speak but cannot read. Now here see, they, we use many times, we use this word, isn't it? Similarly you see but also we use many times. But, can, not, all the underlined words, they are sight words which we use them many times, which appears us most of the times. Next you see, I do my work daily. I do my work daily. Now you see I. Now here how many times we used? Here once we used I. Again we used I here. So number of times we take these words. I, do, underline, do also sight word. My, also a sight word. Work, daily, they are not sight words, because we do not use them frequently. Means most of the times we do not use. When these words are required, then only we use them. But these words like I, do, my, we use many times. Next you see, we did not eat food. We did not eat food. Now here we, sight word. Did, also a sight word. Not, a sight word. You see here, not, again not. To say something negative, we use no or not. So no and not we use most of the times. Next you see, farmers go to market. Farmers go to market. Now here go and to, these two words are sight words. Next you see, Kiran has a story book. Kiran has a story book. Now here you see Kiran, one word, has one word, a one word, story one word, and book is another word. Now out of all these words, has and a, these are the two words we use most of the times. చాలా సార్లు మనం ఈ పదాలను మనం వాడుతూ ఉంటాం. హ్యాస్ ఏ. నెక్స్ట్, ఐ స్టడీ ఇన్ క్లాస్ 1. I study in class 1. Here again it appears like I. Underline, I is a sight word. In also a sight word. We used I here, you see, in second sentence I, we used sixth sentence we used I, like here in also a sight word. Next, Rekha has many toys. Rekha has many toys. Now here has is a sight word and many also sight word. Many means more than one. So has and many, these two are sight words. Don't forget children the spelling of sight. S-I-G-H-T. Sight words. In between you will have to recollect what is a sight word or what are sight words. The words which we use most of the times or the words which appear most of the times in our writings, we call those words sight words. She has more pens. Now she is a sight word, has a sight word. Now here you can see how many times we use. 9th sentence you see has, again 11th sentence has, again 12th sentence has. So many times we use different situations, we use these words frequently. Frequent means regularly. She has more. These three words are sight words. Next, we do not paint pictures. We do not paint pictures. Now here we is a sight word. Do is a sight word. And not. In this sentence we have three sight words. We, do and not. We do not paint pictures. Next sentence you see, 14th sentence. We give them gifts. We give them gifts. When do we give them gifts? Or when do we give gifts to our friends? We give gifts to our friends on any special occasions or when we celebrate special days. Like when you celebrate your birthday, you distribute or you give gifts to your friends. Or sometimes your friends also, they give gifts to you on special occasions or special days or important days. Similarly, you see next sentence. Here, what are the sight words? We give them. We give them. These three words are sight words. And last one, I am not a painter. I am not a painter. Now here, what are the sight words? I am not a. So these words are sight words. So my dear students, sight words are those words which we use them maximum times. Many times we use them. And also you should remember, here I have written examples, some sentences based on by using few words. There are some words, using them also you can write, you can frame meaningful sentences. Okay, children. So I hope you have understood this topic and I wish you all the best. Next class we will come with some more sight words and surely we will learn new sentences and new sight words. Thank you very much. Have a great learning.